For Thursday, make sure you complete your check-in or attendance. The assignment that you should start with is the quick write. You also have yesterday's exit ticket or quiz if you didn't finish it. And you will also need to submit your choice novel project. So the quick write, when you click on it, looks like this. It is about your book. You're going to answer these questions about your book and then submit it. Click next. Again, this is yesterday's text. I'm giving you an extra day to complete the exit ticket quiz. And again, it says here you're supposed to type 3 ideas that you remember about South Africa, Nelson Mandela, or apartheid. So go back to the text and use the information. And the text is right before this. Okay, there's the link where you can listen to it. And then lastly, you are supposed to submit parts 2 through 4 of this choice novel project. If you didn't turn in part 1, there's a place for it here. So when you click on it, here it is. Okay, so you're going to submit it here. And again, this is the test grade parts 2 through 4. If I do not receive it, I will have to contact your home before Thanksgiving break, because if you do not turn it in, you'll have a very low score, a failing grade before the break. Okay, so make sure you turn in your choice novel project. Send any questions or problems that you might have. Again, have a good day.